Hello students, in this video let us discuss the stability of the carbanion. Okay. So you know that carbocations are stabilized by the electron donating groups. Carbocations are electron deficient, so they are stabilized by the electron donating groups like plus I, plus H, plus R. Now carbanions are the electron rich species. These are stabilized by the electron withdrawing group. Okay. So the electron withdrawing group withdraws some electron density. So the magnitude of the negative charge decreases, then stability increases. Okay. If there is a strong electron withdrawing group, that is the carbanion is more stable. Okay. So carbanions are stabilized by the electron withdrawing group. Okay. Carbanions are stabilized by electron withdrawing group. Okay, carbanions are stabilized by the electron withdrawing group. A strong electron withdrawing group, more stable carbanion. Okay, strong electron withdrawing group, more stable carbanion. So see this one first. Suppose CH3, CH2 minus, here fluorine, CH2, CH2 minus, Cl, CH2, CH2 minus, and Br, CH2, CH2 minus. Here in this one, which is a more stable carbanion. Here the fluorine is a minus I group. That minus I group increases stability of the carbanion. That means here that attract the magnitude of the negative charge. Okay. So because of this minus I effect of the halogen, that on this carbon positive charge increases. Okay. Of course here positive negative are adjacent to each other, so stability increases actually. Okay. Or we can say because of this electron withdrawing nature, the magnitude of the negative charge decreases. So it is a strong electron withdrawing group. Here more decrease of the magnitude of the negative charge, so more stable. So here B is more stable, next to C, D and A. So because here fluorine is a strong minus I group, next to Cl, next to Br. And here there is no minus I group, so it is a least stable carbanion. Okay, there is a least stable carbanion. So stronger the minus effect, more stable carbanion, because that can withdraw more extent of the negative charge. Okay. So here less magnitude of the negative charge, more stable anion. That's it. But in this case no minus I group. Okay. Here minus I group can disperse the magnitude of the negative charge. Strong minus I group, more dispersal of the negative charge, then more stable. And first suppose next CH3, CH2 minus, a fluorine CH2, CH2 minus, next fluorine and fluorine H, CH2 minus, and fluorine, this one fluorine and fluorine CH2 minus. So which is the most stable carbanion? Here in this case CF3, 3 fluorines are added, here 2 fluorines, here only 1 fluorine. Here stability increases because CF3 is a strong minus I group than the CHF2, and CHF2 is strong minus I group than the CH2F. Here only 1 fluorine, here 2 fluorines, here 3 fluorines. Here inductive effect is additive in nature. With increasing number of minus I groups, here stability increases. That means here totally CF3 is a strong minus I group. Okay. Next, this one CH3 CH2 minus and fluorine CH2 CH2 minus. Next, this one NO2 CH2 CH2 minus and CF3 CH2 CH2 minus. So here CF3, NO2 and fluorine, which is strong minus I group. Here CF3 is a strong minus I group than the NO2. Okay, NO2 is a strong minus I group than the only 1 fluorine. Okay, that's it. Stability order like this. Okay, and next here fourth one. The inductive effect is a distance dependent of the carbanion. Here there is a NO2 group of carbanion. here there is a NO2 group, carbanion. Here there is a NO2 group. Okay. Of course here carbanion. No NO2 group. Here in this case there is NO2 group. It is very near to the negatively charged carbon. Inductive effect is distance dependent. Okay. So with increasing distance, that means carbon chain length, that its effect decreases actually. So here NO2 is here more minus effect. That means yes, that creates the more positive charge on this carbon, so more stabilization. Positive and negative adjacent each other, more stabilization. Or we can say it is very nearer, so that can decrease the magnitude of the negative charge. Okay, they are more stable. So with increasing distance, its effect decreases. Okay, inductive effect is a distance dependent. Next here, another one. Here Cl, this one Cl and Cl, CH2 minus, fluorine and fluorine and fluorine, CH2 minus. Between these two, this is the most stable because CF3 is a strong minus I group than the CCl3. Okay, and now here see this one. Cl here, Cl, this one Cl, here negative charge. Fluorine, here fluorine, and this is the fluorine and negative charge. Now between these two, which is the most stable carbanion? Here CCl3 minus and CF3 minus. Here CCl3 minus is more stable actually. As per the inductive effect, CF3 must be more stable. But here in this case, the negative charge is delocalized into the vacant d orbital. Okay, the negative charge is delocalized into the vacant d orbital. So it is stabilized by the d orbital resonance. But here no d orbitals on the fluorine atom. Here in this case, there is no conjugation. These CF3 groups are not, that means fluorines are not directly attached. Okay, so here no resonance possible, no d orbital resonance is possible. So based on the inductive effect, we explain the stability order. But in this case here, there is a resonance possibility. The negatively charged carbanion directly attached to the chlorine. So chlorine has a vacant d orbital. Chlorine has a vacant d orbital. So here there is a d orbital resonance. So it is stabilized by the resonance. Okay. Okay. So next here see this one, CH2 double bond CH2 minus. Okay, next here benzyl carbanion, allyl carbanion. Now here number of benzene rings increases. With increasing benzene rings here, extent of conjugation increases. Here 3 benzene rings. So stability increases. These are stabilized by the resonance. All are stabilized by the resonance. Here resonance is 3 phenylatics. Here resonance is 2 phenylatics. Here resonance is 1 phenyltic. So with the increasing extent of the resonance, delocalization, stability increases. Okay, that's it. And next, CH2 double bond CH, CH2 minus. Here CH2 double bond CH, CH minus, CH double bond CH2. CH2 double bond CH, C minus, CH double bond CH2, CH double bond CH2. So here in this case, extent of conjugation is higher, so stability increases. Okay, higher the extent of the conjugation, higher the stability. That's it. So next here, pi bond. Here CH2 minus. Here CH2, here CH2 minus. CH3, CH2 minus. Now which one is the most stable ion? Okay, which one is the most stable ion? Now, of course here I am adding one more anion. This is the pi bond, negative charge. So here in this case 6 pi electrons, it is aromatic in nature. So fourth one is more stable. Aromatic anions are more stable. Aromatic anions are more stable. And next here in this case, this one is stabilized by the just resonance with the benzene ring. So that is the most stable. And next here, between these two, here phenyl, with phenyl no conjugation but slightly acting as a minus cycle because sp2 carbon slightly more alkyl, so that's why some minus I effect is working. But here in this case no minus I effect, just here CH3 plus I effect. So here 2 is more stable than the 3. Okay. So of course you know that among the carbocations and radicals, the tertiary carbocations, tertiary radicals are more stable. But here in case of the anions, simple carbanions, that means the primary carbanions are more stable than the secondary carbanions. Secondary carbanions are more stable than the tertiary carbanions. Because here methyl groups are acting as a donating groups actually. Methyl groups are acting as a donating groups. So here by the donating nature of the methyl groups here, carbanion stability decreases. Because magnitude of the negative charge increases, so stability decreases. That's it. So tertiary carbanion more stable, but in case of the carbocation and radical, tertiary radicals are more stable. Okay? Yeah. And next, another one. CH2 minus and CH3. Next, CH2 minus C double bond OH and CH2 minus CH2 C double bond OH. Okay? Here in this case you see, CH2 minus, this is NO2. CH2 minus NO2. So in this case, this anion is stabilized by the resonance. This anion is stabilized by the resonance. Of course, it is a minus M group. It is a minus M group. Okay, here there is no resonance, but slightly that minus I effect is working. The C double bond with H is a minus I group. So here it is slightly stabilized by this one. Here no minus I group. Now aldehyde group and NO2 group, which is more stable? Fourth one is the most stable. Aldehyde and NO2 group, but NO2 group is a strong electron with the diagonal. So fourth one is most stable. Next, second one and third and one. That's it. And next, one more important point. Here, aromatic stabilized anions are more stable. Aromatic anions are more stabilized. Yeah, you see this one. Here aromatic species, this is not aromatic, this is a 4 pi electron system, so anti-aromatic this one. Okay, that is an anti-aromatic species, carbanion. So that is a very least stable. So here first one is more stable. Here resonance with only one pi bond. Resonance with only one pi bond. Here resonance with 2 pi bonds. Resonance with 2 pi bonds. Of course, it is not an aromatic. It's not an aromatic. It is not a cyclic system. Okay. The aromaticity is only applicable for the cyclic systems. So aromatic one more stable. Here conjugation with 1 pi bond. Here conjugation with 2 pi bonds. So here fourth one more stable, next the second one and third one least stable, anti-aromatic species. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. So next, see this one. Aldehyde group double bond O, CH minus C double bond OH, aldehyde. Okay, A. Next D. CH3 C double bond O, CH minus C double bond O, CH3. Okay, next CH3O, C double bond O, CH minus C double bond O, ET. And next D, CH3O, C double bond O, CH minus C double bond O, N. This is methyl and methyl. Which carbanion is more stable carbanion? Okay. So all carbanions are stabilized by the resonance. All carbanions are stabilized by the resonance. Okay. In this case, resonance with two groups. Yeah. Now here in this one, all are the minus M groups. All are the minus M groups. But here minus M effect higher for the aldehyde group. Okay. Higher for the aldehyde group. As we said at the negative mesomeric effect, aldehyde is a strong minus N group. Next, keto group, and then ester, and then amide. Amide is a very weak minus M group. Okay? Why it is a weak minus M group? Because in this case, this lone pair of electrons are involved in a conjugation. Okay? And here in ester, this lone pair of electrons are involved in a conjugation with the CO group. Then conjugation with a negative charge decreases. But here in this case here, this nitrogen is a very less electronegative, its donating nature higher. That means here, this CO group is effectively involved in conjugation with the nitrogen lone pair of electrons. Because nitrogen is a less electronegative, these electrons are easily available. So then extent of conjugation with the negative charge decreases. Here, in this case, some extent of the conjugation with the lone pair of electrons on the oxygen less when compared with the nitrogen, because oxygen is a more electronegative. Okay. So here, the CO group can be also involved in conjugation with the negative charge, slightly. That means here, the ester group is a strong minus N group than the amide group. And next is ketone and aldehyde. No plus M effect like OCO, oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, of course here in this case slightly that minus I plus I effect is working. Okay, because of the plus I effect the carbanion stability decreases. Here a hydrogen is not plus I, not minus I. Okay, so that is stability order of the carbanion. Okay, next you see this one. Okay, important one. Here 14th one. CHC minus and CH, this one PH. And here HC triple bond C minus. Okay. And next aromatic stabilized carbanion. Aromatic stabilized carbanion. So which carbanion most stable in this case? Aromatic stabilized carbanion is most stable, easily we can say. But between these two, it is most stabilized by the resonance with 3 phenyl rings. Even this is the most stable. Why? Because here sp carbon is more alkyl-negative. Sp carbon is more alkyl-negative. So negative charge on the sp carbon is more stable. Okay, negative charge on the sp carbon more alkyl-negative is more stable. Okay, than this carbanion. It is a stability order. Very important. Very important. That means here the based on the negative charge. Okay, based on the negative charge on the alkyl-negative atom. Okay, we are saying this one. So negative charge on the more alkyl-negative atom is more stable. Okay, negative charge on the more alkyl-negative atom is more stable. Yeah. So next 15th one. This is the carbanion one. Here sulfur, this is the carbanion. Here carbanion. Here in this case here, this carbanion is stabilized by the d orbital resonance. Sulfur has a vacant d orbital. Here in this case also vacant d orbital is there. That means here two sulfur atoms, here one sulfur atom, here no sulfur atom. So this carbanion is more stable. Okay, the carbanion is more stable. So next one more order. Yeah. D orbital resonance. And next yeah. See this one. Benzyl carbanion. This is CH2 minus. CH2 minus. This is NO2 group. Electron withdrawing group minus M group. CH2 minus. Pi bond, pi bond, pi bond. Here CH3. Pi bond is pi bond. So minus. This one OCH. Okay. Now here, which is the most stable? Or suppose I am writing this one. Aldehyde group. Okay. So carbanions are stabilized by the electron withdrawing group. So NO2 is a minus M group and minus I, of course. Here plus H, this is a minus M. But here NO2 group and aldehyde group is a strong minus M group is NO2. Okay, strong minus M group is NO2. So here in this case, this carbanion is more stable. That means here this negative charge delocalized like this. You see in this case, so this NO2 group increase the positive charge at alpha position and para position. So here positive negative more stabilization. So here in this case be more stable because that NO2 group can increase more positive charge on this carbon. Here also aldehyde group minus M group increase positive charge at ortho and para positions. But here in this case the magnitude of the positive charge at this carbon is higher when compared with this magnitude of the positive charge. And aldehyde is attached because aldehyde is a weak electron withdrawing group. So here more positive, here negative, more stabilization. Here less positive, negative, less stabilization. So here in this case D. And here first and second. This is a donating group. Donating group increase electron density at ortho para position. So negative negative repel each other. So it is destabilized by the electron donating nature of the methyl. So here that's why A is more stable than the C. Okay. Yeah. Next. Finally, CH2 minus. CH2 minus. This one is a NO2. CH2 minus. This is NO2. CH2 minus NO2. Now which is the most stable carbon? So in this case here minus M effect is working, here minus M effect is working. Okay. Now here it is a minus M minus M. Here only minus effect, here minus M. That means here ortho and para, these carbanions are most stabilized by the minus M effect. Okay. And moreover, there is a minus I effect higher when NO2 group is attached to the ortho position. So here 2 more stable because more minus I effect. And next here in this case minus I effect less. So fourth one is more stable. Okay. So first here more minus I effect and minus M. Minus M is equally working because that increase the positive charge at ortho position and para positions. Here ortho positions and para positions. Okay, whatever the magnitude of the positive charge increases at this carbon by the minus M effect is same whenever NO2 group is attached to the para position. Okay, but here in this case, so there is a more minus I effect is working because that is very nearer to the negatively charged carbanion. This one minus effect less. That's why 2 is more stable than the 4. Here it is only stabilized by the minus I effect. So 3 and finally 1. Okay, that is stability order of the carbanions. Okay, stability order of the carbanions. Yeah. This is the overall stability of the carbanion. This carbanion is more stable because the negative charge is delocalized into the oxygen atom. Okay, and equal resonator structures possible. The negative charge is delocalized into the oxygen atoms. Okay, that's why this carbanion is more stable. Next, aromatic stabilized carbanion. Here based on the electronegativity. Okay, so negative charge on the more electronegative atom. Next here resonance with 3 phenyl rings. Here resonance with 2 phenyl rings. Resonance with 1 phenyl ring. Here no resonance, but sp2 carbanion. Okay, sp2 carbon more electronegative. So then CH3 minus. Yes, ethyl carbanion, secondary carbanion, tertiary carbanion, least stable. Okay. So here in this case we can say separately based on the electronegativity of the carbon. This is stability order. sp carbon more electronegative, more stable. Next sp2. Next here sp3. Okay. So more electronegative atom can bear the negative charge. That's why it is a more stable anion.